This tutorial is for Mobius homework lesson 1 homework question number 1. Simplify the following algebraic expression. Over here on the right is where I'm going to work out all of my math over here so that you can follow along with me. Now to simplify this, we're going to need what's called the order of operations. This is, some people call it PEMDAS, or please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Either way, however you like to go through it, it's parentheses, exponents, multiply and divide from left to right, add and subtract from left to right. So these two are together and these two are together. So parentheses first. Now once I get inside a set of parentheses, so I see, oh look, I hit my first set of parentheses. Now I know these are brackets, but they fall within that parenthesis part of the order of operations. So once I get inside this set of parentheses, I still have to follow the order of operations. So I go through this and I actually hit another set of parentheses, which tells me I must do those ones first because I need to do parentheses first. And because they're inside the first set of parentheses, it means these ones must happen first. So another way to think about it is find your most inner set of parentheses and work in that first. So inside here, 6 plus 6x cannot be simplified because they are not like terms. This one does not have the same variable makeup. It doesn't have an x in there. So what I'm going to have to do is the distributive property with this -4, multiplying it into both of these. So I'm going to copy this here for my next step and paste it here and multiply my -4 in. -4 times +6 gives me -24. And I haven't multiplied this yet, so I'm going to take this out so that it doesn't confuse you. Okay, that's gone. So -4 times +6 is -24. The -4 times +6 again is also, again, -24, but in this case I have this variable x, so it's still there and I have x. Now once I've gone ahead and done the distributive, the parentheses fall off because I've already completed that, and now I can just work inside the big set of parentheses. Inside here I actually have two like terms, so I can combine those because they have the same makeup, the variable makeup. The 24 doesn't have anything in common, so we can't combine that. So -24 plus the +10 gives me -14x to combine those. Now again, I can't combine anything further, so I'll do the distributive once again through here. So I'm going to copy this and distribute the -8. So -8 times -24 becomes positive. 8 times 24 is 112, and I still have the variable x. Take this off. -8 times -24 gives me positive again, and this is 192, and there's no variable there. All right, so again, the parentheses fall off because I've already accomplished that order or that operation. So now I can combine all like terms, and I have a -2 here and the positive 192. So I'm going to copy and paste, bring my -2 over here, which makes this 190, and there's my answer. So I'm going to find the closest. Good, I have it right here exactly. I'm going to select the how did I do. It's going to tell me yes, I got it right with a green check mark. Now some people kind of get confused because they think that this green check mark matches up with this answer right here. It's not. So what it does is it just shows that this answer is correct that you selected. It's always right here in the very middle. If I were to select the wrong answer, this would be a red X and a red box. I think that's everything on this. You are allowed to go through your questions as many times as you want to, clear up to the due date, and retry it as many times to get it correct. So in theory, you could get 100% on all of your homework, which is a really wonderful feeling and great practice for any of the exams. All right, I'll see you on the next question.